his question is, he is the businessman. So he sees someone is cheating him. He already see, but how he face to him?
If you know he's cheating, just remind. Why you cheating? You can, if you know, if you not stop this, I will report to police. Just like that. Because this material affairs.
This is because
Yeah.
this is cousin, right? His cousin want to cheat.
No,
No.
cousin. Like
Alright.
a business.
Business.
He's
I
the
see.
প্রশ্নটা প্রভু প্রশ্ন মনে করেন আমার তো দেখা যায় সে আমার থেকে শক্তিশালী স্বামীর সাথে আমি ফরেন আমি শক্তিশালী কিন্তু আমি তো এটা আমার দ্বারা সম্ভব না যদি আমি রিপোর্ট করতে যাই আমার প্রতি আবার অ্যাকশন হবে ঠিক আছে
So one more thing, he can see, but he's stronger than him.
Yeah.
That guy
Yeah.
stronger than him. So he is the local.
Yeah.
So he is the
Foreigner.
Foreigner.
he is the foreigner.
Yeah.
That guy is the local. So how to convince him to
Yeah.
don't?
You already have
Because
investation.
Invest. He already invest.
Already
He doing the business. He have about 5 shop here
yeah.
in Malaysia.
So because
500
And worker have 500 almost.
yeah.
So he manage this
What
worker.
business you have?
construction
Construction. Yeah. So this matter better just cut the business relationship with that kind of person, and then we go slowly like that. Because this material world already said this is the place of cheater and the cheated. Businessmen also mean cheating. Propensity is there. If they don't cheat, how they can got more like that? But we as a devotee, we try to do in the manner, the good way like that, without cheating like that.
কেন এই প্রশ্নটা করছি বুঝছেন আমার যে কোম্পানির ব্লক হয়ে গেল বুঝছেন আমি 4-5 জায়গা থেকে পয়সা দিয়ে ধরা গেছি মিটিং করছি কথা বলতে এত সুন্দরভাবে কথা বলে বুঝছেন টাকা পয়সা দিয়ে তার টাকা পয়সা খায় কোনো কাজই করে না বুঝছেন টাকা পয়সা দিয়ে দিছি অলরেডি নিচে অ্যাডভান্স নিয়ে কোনো কাজ করে নাই বুঝছেন আমার সাথে না করতে পারি ঝগড়া না কালেকশন করতে পারি যদি কালেকশন করতে যাই জামালা হলে মনে করেন হ্যাঁ আরও বড় ধরনের জামালা করবে বুঝছেন এই 25 সালটা অনেক খারাপ গেছে আমার বুঝছেন
So he have already 4 or 5 company to talking to meeting to them.
Yeah.
Then they say we'll go do something for you.
Yeah.
But he have give some money to them. Okay, you do for me something. But they eat ready, they didn't do anything. If he going to asking them, hey, why you eat money ready? Why you don't do anything for
not
me?
doing anything.
Not doing anything.
This is
He
material world.
scared can be more problem. So he can't.
Yeah.
This is like that. I understand. There's many problem like that. So also, if you are become a devotee, Krishna also tests you. Krishna tests you. How he tests you? Because you may be getting very attached with your business. So Krishna tests you through that people, like that. So now, if very difficult to handle like that, you just pray to Krishna in the heart. Please, Krishna, help me in that situation. So if you are sincere, Krishna will be give a front, sign in your heart. Do that, like that, do that. And then keep japa nicely. Don't think about your business. Just think your Krishna. Krishna will solve your problem.
কি কইছে জব করতে কইছে
Yeah.
ওকে জব ইম্পর্টেন্ট এন্ড
Yes.
অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বারিং
Yes. Number one is Krishna. And then
depend
chant
on Krishna.
seriously, very seriously chant. Like that. Then Krishna will be. We cannot, like your situation, this is already complicated. And they also know you are weakness. So they use your weakness to manipulate you like that. So like this. Understand? Yeah? Yes.
So
Hari Bol.
I have one question.